Concerns this evening that students who were affected by the 2010 security operations in Tivoli Gardens are now displaying behavioral problems and struggling academically. Dean of Discipline at Tivoli High, Carmen Jones, says the incident in which more than 70 residents were killed remains fresh in the minds of many children. Ms. Jones, who is also Vice President of the National Association of Deans of Discipline, wants the Ministry of Education to intervene.
Most of the children we are getting now, they are offspring of the incursion. So their mindset is different. They see things differently. They are traumatized, and you cannot reach them with lessons if that is not dealt with. As a matter of fact, I had a student the other day who the parent relayed to me that because of what that child witnessed during the incursion, she is not stable mentally.
Ms. Jones says the problem is further compounded because some teachers are not adequately trained to deal with the children. She adds that some of the children who enter the school are barely able to read and write.
We are not given human resources in terms of teachers who are versed in special educational needs, then that is going to be a setback, and that is one of the major challenges we are having with our students. We don't have the teachers trained to identify the problems that we are experiencing, and that will need to be provided by the ministry.
She wants more deans of discipline in schools, revealing that in some institutions, the ratio is 1 to 1,500. During the 2010 operations, the security forces stormed into West Kingston communities in search of strongman Christopher Dudus Coke, who was wanted by the United States to face drug charges.